Okay, good day everyone. Now we are going to have a short video with a showcasing of adding lights and adding shadings on our exterior designs or exterior rendering. And now, before we proceed, I would like to uh, announce my group leader, Leo Shankar, and also my group members. Lawrence Sabrina, Christian Jantaico, Babylin Breeze, and Richard Azuela. And the last one is Mr. Aaron Laos. And now we are going to have a short video of how to add the shading and lights on our exterior design. So now let's before we proceed, we have to edit or navigate all those lights, rectangle lights, one by one. So let's start for the first, which is the rectangle lights number one. No. So before we proceed with the editing lights, we have to identify all of those rectangle lights on our model. So we have to identify all of that before we proceed to our rendering. Okay. So since my computer's a little bit lag. Yeah, wait a minute. Just one moment. Okay. So, so the rectangle lights is here an hour at the at, at the top of our ceiling. Okay. This is yan, ito siya. That is yan. And then we need to edit yan, mga yan. So since nasa taas siya, para mas magbigay siya ng luminous effect or mas maganda rin na siguro mas maganda na mas maliwanag na lang, hindi na luminous. Kasi kung luminous siya, masyado siyang ah masyado siyang mahina. So, choose natin yung radiant. ah, And then, intensity. Taxin natin. So, since light siya, mas maganda kung mas mataas yung intensity, ah, mas maliwanag. Yan. And then, ito rin. Check din natin yung material na yan. The next is, ito. Yan. Taasan din natin yung kanyang intensity. Yan. So, since gabi yung natin, yung scene natin sa ating V-Ray, no? Mas maganda na gawin natin siya yung sunlight is zero. Kasi ano naman siya. Ah, gabi siya, no? Gabi. And then, identify ulit natin yung mga yan. Yan siya. Then, add other options. So, shadows, okay na siya. No decay. Invisible. Pwede rin. Pero mas maganda na, hindi siya invisible. No? And then, identify ulit natin yung isa dito. Yan. okey na siya 'no. So, the rest ng ating mga rectangle lights, yung mga 'yan, is mga naka-ano na siya, mga naka-disc. So, yung mga naka-disc na 'to, ayan, check natin. Ito mga naka-disc is, we need to adjust this din. We need to adjust din 'to ng mga 'to 'no. So, 'yan. So, it's up to you kung gusto natin na, dagdagan ng texture yung ating lights. So, try natin dagdagan ng texture 'tong lights natin. So, let's say ito na lang. Hindi, sana huwag na lang para walang conflict sa liwanag. So, 49.7. Wait lang natin. Cut, cut, lag. So, continue. So, continue. So, ulit natin siya mga siguro 73, yan. So, next, proceed tayo ulit. Wait lang. So, gawin natin siyang, radiant, no? Para mas maliwanag. Then, radiant ulit. Radiant. Hindi, radiant ulit. Then, radiant ulit. Then, radiant. I-radiant ulit natin to. Yan. And then the last one is, again, radiant. Okay. Yan, no? So, sa spirit lights, ito naman yung ating isa. Yan. Nandito siya sa part na to. Ano yung spirit light na? Cut, cut. Continue, continue. So, radiant. Yan. Siguro ano lang, radiance, no? Since ano siya. Then, add natin siya ng texture. Yan. Gawin natin siya ganyan. So, same process, radiance, ah, ganyan, and then spherulite, again, then siya, and then radiant power. Spherulite number 4, cut, cut, continue. So, ito na, no? Same process lang, ganyan lang din. Yan. And then, sa spherulite number 3, so since naka-radiant na siya, gagawin natin siya ganyan. Yan. And then, the spherulite number 4, radiance, and then, ganyan. Radiant power. So, radiant power ulit. Same process lang, no? Itong mga the rest na natira na, spherulite. Yan. Before, oops, mali. Yan. So, subukan natin siyang i-render. So, render muna natin siya. So, mag-add lang ako ng scene para maayos natin yung viewing niya. Okay? And then, i-render natin siya. So, wait na natin. Lumabas yung ating render. And then, let's proceed ulit tayo. So, wait muna natin hanggang sa matapos. So, cut, cut. So since our render is already finished, so as you can see here that there's a shadows and the light is uh, slightly dim. Okay, so have a, uh, I'm gonna proceed for the another render. So let me just save this file. So let's proceed for the another. Rendered. So first we need to finish this render and then the see the results. Okay. So cut